Planning your next outdoor adventure and want reliable cooking gear? Choosing the right stove makes all the difference. Best stove for camping should offer power, portability, and easy control. Here's a quick guide to help you pick the perfect option for your trips. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Camp Chef Camping Stove. The Camp Chef Camping Stove stands out as a powerful and dependable option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want performance without complications. With an impressive 40,000 BTU output delivered through two 20,000 BTU burners, this stove heats quickly and handles everything from boiling water to cooking full meals with ease. Its folding lid doubles as a windscreen, making it especially useful in breezy environments where maintaining a steady flame can be a challenge. The matchless ignition system is a major convenience, allowing you to get started instantly without fumbling for lighters or matches, while the precise control knobs give you flexibility for simmering or high-heat cooking. The 215 square inch cooking surface provides enough space for two pans, making it ideal for couples or small groups. Despite its sturdy build, it remains portable thanks to the integrated carry handle and compact design. Cleanup is also simple with the removable drip tray. Overall, this stove balances power, portability, and user-friendly features, making it a reliable companion for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency use. Number 2. Coleman Triton 2 Camping Stove. The Coleman Triton 2 camping stove is a well-rounded choice for those seeking portability and consistent cooking performance during outdoor adventures. Delivering 22,000 BTUs of total cooking power, it may not be the most powerful option available, but it provides more than enough heat for typical camping meals. Its two independently adjustable burners allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with different heat levels, which adds convenience at the campsite. The built-in wind guards are particularly useful, helping to shield the flame from gusts and ensuring steady cooking even in less than ideal weather conditions. One of its standout features is the improved knob rotation, offering precise control for simmering or boiling. The stove's chrome-plated grate is durable and removable, making cleanup quick and hassle-free after meals. It also features a heavy-duty latch that keeps the unit securely closed during transport. Compact yet capable, the Triton 2 fits standard pan sizes comfortably, making it a practical and reliable option for camping, picnics, and roadside cooking.
Number 3. Nice C 16,000 BTU Camping Stove. The Nice C 16,000 BTU camping stove is a compact yet efficient solution designed for campers who prioritize durability and ease of use. With a total output of 16,000 BTUs across its dual burners, it provides sufficient power for everyday outdoor cooking tasks, such as frying, boiling, and reheating meals. While it may not compete with higher BTU models in terms of raw heat, it excels in efficiency and control. The stainless steel grates are made from high-quality 304 material, offering excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, which is essential for outdoor conditions. A notable advantage is the non-stick coating on the burners, which significantly reduces cleanup time and keeps maintenance simple. The push-button piezo ignition system ensures quick and reliable startup without the need for matches, and the stepless adjustable flame control allows for precise temperature management. Its lightweight and practical design make it easy to transport and store. Overall, this stove is ideal for casual campers or those looking for a dependable, low-maintenance cooking solution. Number 4. Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 Camping Stove. The Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 camping stove brings versatility to outdoor cooking, making it a great choice for campers who enjoy preparing a variety of meals. With 24,000 BTUs of cooking power, it delivers strong and consistent heat across its two burners, suitable for everything from quick breakfasts to more elaborate dinners. What sets this model apart is its included cast iron grill and griddle accessories, which expand your cooking options beyond traditional pots and pans. This added flexibility allows you to grill meats, cook pancakes, or sauté vegetables with ease. The stove is designed for convenience, featuring a recessed carry handle and a secure storage space for the regulator, making transport simple and organized. Its rotary ignition system ensures fast, matchless lighting, while improved knob controls offer better precision for temperature adjustments. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the removable pan support and aluminized steel cooktop. Combined with built-in wind guards, this stove performs reliably in outdoor conditions, making it a versatile and dependable cooking companion.
Number 5. Chef Master Grill Boss Camping Stove. The Chef Master Grill Boss Camping Stove is a highly versatile option designed for users who value flexibility and safety in outdoor cooking. Its dual fuel capability allows it to run on both butane and propane, giving you the freedom to choose between lightweight portability or longer-lasting fuel, depending on your needs. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of situations, from camping and hiking to emergency preparedness. Unlike multi-burner stoves, this model focuses on a single burner, but it delivers reliable and consistent performance for most cooking tasks. The built-in automatic piezo ignition system ensures quick and effortless startup, eliminating the need for matches. Safety is a key highlight, with an automatic gas shutoff feature that activates if irregular gas flow is detected, providing added peace of mind during use. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store, while the simple control mechanism ensures user-friendly operation. Overall, this stove is a practical and dependable choice for solo campers or anyone needing a portable cooking solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.